Welcome back to Autoland, your ultimate destination for discovering the most advanced and luxurious machines redefining the road. If you love innovation on wheels, buckle up, because today we're diving into something that's not just a motorhome. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile living. This is the all-new Volvo Motorhome 2026, a masterpiece of design, comfort, and cutting-edge technology that turns every journey into a 5-star experience. Let's roll into the details that make this futuristic RV1. Of the most talked about creations of 2026, the Volvo Motorhome 2026 is a pure expression of Scandinavian minimalism fused with smart engineering. Its exterior design is sleek and aerodynamic, sculpted to reduce drag while maintaining Volvo's iconic elegance. The signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights flow seamlessly into a futuristic grille that houses sensors and LiDAR systems for autonomous driving. The entire body features lightweight carbon aluminum panels, helping improve efficiency and handling despite its massive size. The panoramic windshield wraps around the cockpit, giving the driver a commanding view of the road ahead. Retractable solar panels extend from the roof, soaking up sunlight to charge the onboard battery system, making it an eco-friendly powerhouse on long trips. Step inside, and you'll feel like you've entered a luxury apartment on wheels. The 2026 model redefines comfort with its open concept layout. Volvo's design team focused on calm, natural tones, soft grays, light woods, and ambient LED lighting that adapts to the time of day. The main lounge area transforms easily from a living room to a workspace or a dining area. Plush reclining seats offer built-in massage functions and 360-degree rotation. Hidden beneath the floor panels is a state-of-the-art sound system by Bowers & Wilkins, delivering immersive surround audio that makes movies, music, and calls sound incredible. The kitchen area is compact but high-tech. It includes an induction stove, a retractable refrigerator, and smart storage units that open with a simple touch. Everything is connected to the central Volvo Smart Hub, a voice-controlled system that manages lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even meal suggestions based on your travel route. You can say on Volvo, "Prepare dinner mode," and the interior will shift lighting, play soft music, and even activate the ventilation system to optimize airflow while cooking. Sleeping quarters are equally impressive. The master suite features a floating queen-size bed with adjustable firmness, a skylight for stargazing, and built-in noise cancellation panels for a peaceful night's rest. The room can adjust climate zones separately, ensuring perfect comfort no matter the weather outside. The rear of the motorhome includes a spa-inspired bathroom, complete with a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and a smart mirror that doubles as a display for news, navigation, or entertainment. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the cabin, lies Volvo's latest hybrid powertrain. It combines a hydrogen-assisted electric system with a next-gen battery pack capable of delivering up to 900 kilometers on a single charge. The onboard AI manages power consumption intelligently, switching between electric and hybrid modes depending on terrain and driving conditions. The vehicle supports ultra-fast charging, reaching 80% capacity in just 25 minutes. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is also fully autonomous, capable of navigating highways, parking itself, and even repositioning to optimal angles for solar charging. On the road, the Volvo Motorhome 2026 glides effortlessly. Advanced air suspension keeps it stable even on rough terrain, while Volvo's predictive control system scans upcoming road conditions in real time. Drivers, or passengers, can monitor everything on a panoramic display embedded in the dashboard. For those who prefer to drive manually, the intuitive steering feedback and near-silent ride make it feel surprisingly agile for its size. Safety, as expected from Volvo, is world-class. Features like 360-degree radar coverage, pedestrian recognition, and adaptive braking make this the safest motorhome in its class. Connectivity is another highlight. The vehicle integrates 6G satellite connectivity, ensuring high-speed internet access anywhere on the planet. Travelers can stream, work, or game seamlessly on the go. The rear lounge even transforms into a mini cinema, with a retractable 70-inch OLED display and surround sound for entertainment nights under the stars. What truly sets the Volvo Motorhome 2026 apart is its sustainability. The materials used inside are 90% recyclable. Vegan leather upholstery, bamboo fiber flooring, and plant-based composites for panels. The solar energy harvested can power onboard systems for days without external charging. Volvo's environmental commitment shines through every inch of this futuristic RV. The motorhome's AI assistant learns from your routines, adjusting lighting, recommending scenic routes, and even suggesting rest stops with the best local cuisines. With facial recognition, it can personalize seat positions, temperature settings, and entertainment preferences for each passenger. Imagine arriving at a lakeside, saying, "Volvo, set up camping mode," and watching as the awning extends, chairs deploy, and lighting switches to a warm evening glow, completely automated. As for pricing, Volvo hasn't released official numbers yet, but early estimates suggest it'll start around $450,000 depending on configuration. However, considering its tech, luxury, and autonomy features, it's more than a vehicle. It's a statement about the future of travel. Every journey in the 2026 Volvo Motorhome feels like stepping into tomorrow. It's not just transportation. It's a lifestyle revolution. Volvo has reimagined what it means to be on the road, combining sustainability, luxury, and intelligence into a single breathtaking package. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the incredible Volvo Motorhome 2026. If you enjoyed this look at the future of travel, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow road lovers, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping automotive innovations. Stay tuned, because the future is closer than you think. This is your channel for everything bold, futuristic, and extraordinary. Until next time, drive safe, dream big, and stay inspired.